Welcome, young learners. Today we're going to learn 10 things that start with the letter C. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Cat. Meow. Who doesn't love adorable furry felines? Cats make fantastic companions. Teaches you about responsibility and compassion. Number 2. Cars. Look how many cars there are in this city centre. You might be lucky enough to have a car. They're very good to take you around places. Beep beep. Number 3. Colours. All the colours in the rainbow. Split from white light. Amazing. Number 4. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Number 5. Circles. A lovely shape like our sun. Number 6. Cake. Wow. You might have had a birthday cake. That looks yummy. Or how about a chocolate eclair? Tasty. Number 7. Caring. We have to look after each other, your friends and your family. And animals in the animal kingdom do it too. Oh, look how they're being so nice with each other. Number 8. Climbing. People climb mountains, hills. You can even climb down through caves. And animals like this monkey, they also climb trees. Number 9. Clouds. Clouds can be found all around the earth. They're made up of tiny drops of water. And they make a whole variety of different shapes. Fantastic. My favourite, number 10, chocolate. Wow, that looks amazing. Yummy, yummy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.